Hello gentlemen, you being here, that's mean you are getting the message where it's telling you when you open Unreal Engine that Xcode need to be installed or you need a newer version to be installed or something like that. It's actually a really easy fix. All what we have to do is that we go to the terminal. As you can see right now, I am on my terminal, and then in the terminal you would enter sudo xcode-select -s applications //xcode.app contents /developer. You need to enter that, and then after you enter that, you will be entering your password, and then when you enter your password, you would be able actually to run Xcode. Right now, I am on M1 Max, which means when I am running my M1 Max, the version that will be working is 4.19.2, and as you can see, after entering that code and entering your password, you can simply open Xcode again and everything will be working. No issues there. So that's simply the fix. If there's any questions or concerns, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking the video, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.